Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today's video is all about getting unready and doing a skincare routine, which is a nighttime skincare routine. I usually do this when I put a lot of makeup, no, even if not a lot of makeup, when I put makeup and when I'm taking off that makeup, I have to do a proper skincare routine, and today's video is all about that. I hope you would enjoy this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to use Swiss Image makeup remover. This product is damn good. This product. So the one I'm using right now is very mild. It's the Pond's. It's very mild and it is good for everyday basis, like to remove the dirt and all of that. But it really does not take off the makeup-proof makeup. So waterproof makeup, it doesn't take off the waterproof makeup. So I prefer to use it in the end when there is very less residue, and that can be picked by this one. And black is a very tough pigment, so I want to make sure that my face is really clean. Now I'm gonna use a wet wipe. So I'm gonna wipe my face with this, and you'll be surprised that my skin still has some sort of makeup. See, the toner currently I'm using is from Swiss Image. It is refreshing and mattifying toner. I'm gonna take some on the cotton pad and I'll go very gently on my skin. Yes, I go down my neck also. This toner is good for tightening your pores and it gives really fresh feel to your skin. So, and your neck also needs some sort of pampering. Tighten up my pores. I have large pores around this area and on my nose. So the next product that I'm going to use is this. This is from Wow Science. So it comes with this roller, which is the best part, and you just have to press it here and you can see the products coming out, right? So I'm gonna put that here. So I do this and yep, I love doing this. So relaxing. I am not sure about the wrinkles over here, but my dark circles have reduced after using this product. This is under eye roller. So yeah, that's it. Ayurveda Kumkumadi Ayurvedic night serum. So I use this product in the night. I have to tell you, this is my second bottle and I really like it. So it comes with this dropper. I'm gonna take a generous amount. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use a night cream. So for night cream I'm using Swiss Image, and I use this Absolute Repair night cream only when I have done makeup and I have to take it off, and usually I don't use it. I just stick to one product, either a night cream or the serum. So I'm going to use both today. After the serum, I'm going to use Swiss Image Absolute Repair Night Cream, and it looks like this. I'm almost running out of this product, but yep. I'm gonna take a good generous amount of this product and apply. This smells so good and very calming on the face. It tinkles a bit. I'm gonna use this product. This is from Kama Ayurveda. It's the Vanilla Lip Balm. I use a lot of lip balm because my lips are mostly chapped. Usually when I don't put makeup on daily basis, my skincare routine is very short, very small, and it includes maybe 2 or 3 steps. Sometimes when I have a lot of time, then maybe 4. So I would highly recommend you guys to use a toner, under eye cream, a night serum or a night cream. These are the products category which should be there in your night skincare routine. I hope this video was informative and helpful. All the products would be linked in the description box, so do check them out. And if you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also leave your comments in the comment section so that I get to know what you like and what you don't. And I'll see you next time.